YouTube, welcome back to my channel.
Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel.
Anyways, if you guys are new here, I am Meka and welcome to my wonderful channel. So today I'm not doing a makeup video. Today I am doing a review on some products that got sent to me. So a little backstory. So there is this app called Influenster, and I joined Influenster like a few months ago. I think like late 2019 I joined, and then I wasn't really on it like that and stuff. So then with Influencer, how it works is you go on there, you give your review, your honest review, your honest opinion on products that you have used before. So say if it's like you use your whatever toothpaste you use, if you ate this certain type of chips or whatever, anything you used in your daily life, you go on the site, the app, you go on the app, and then you basically review that product, and you talk about, you know, whether you like it, whether you didn't like it. You give it 1 star. You can rate it between 1 to 5 stars. You can rate it between 1 to 5 stars. And so they ask you survey questions about like you know, stuff like that, so that they could send you free boxes for that, so that you could continue to try new products and then you review the products. So about a month ago, I received my first box from Influencer, and they call it a Vox box. So I received my first Vox box free. It's complimentary, basically so that I can try the products and then give my honest review on those products. So so that's what this video is about today. So I'm gonna show you guys what the box looks like. Okay. So it comes in a box like this. It says just for you. And then this is, you know, the front of the box. Then on the side of the box it says Influencer, right? And that's pretty much it. So I use these products in hair. Like 2 weeks ago I had wash day. I would include the clips and stuff like that. So since it's been 2 weeks, it's wash day again. So I said before I wash my hair again, I'll just do my review on these products, and so you guys could, you know, get a feel or a view on how these products worked for my hair. So like I said, I used it already,
And I don't know why I'm getting Amber Alerts.
anyway. So yeah, so in the box, I received these items, right? These items. So this is the product. So it's Shea. I know my camera doesn't zoom really well. I'm sorry, guys. So it's Shea Moisture Power Greens Shampoo, and it has Moringa and Avocado with kale, matcha, and green aloe. So this shampoo, it says, is supposed to moisturize and nourish weak, dull, curly, coily hair, sulfate free, and color safe. So this is what all of the products say. This is the conditioner, the shampoo, and then I got this, which is it says Power Greens Hair Tea Rinse, and that also has Moringa and Avocado with kale, matcha, and green aloe, and it says nourish and soften weak, dull, curly, coily hair, sulfate free. So basically the same thing as the shampoo. And then I also got this, which says Power Greens Reconstructor which I guess is it's kind of like a treatment, or like a deep treatment or deep conditioner or something like that. So so this is that. So basically with Influencer, you answer questions about like the type of hair you have, the type of skin you have, you know, so that they can, you answer these questions so that they can send you products according to like the type of skin you have or the type of hair that you have, or if you put that you want natural products and stuff like that. So you basically build your profile and you answer questions and stuff like that. So they sent me these and I'm really happy with it actually, because
I have really, really dry hair. Like, my hair is dry, my skin is dry. Everything about me is just dry.
So yeah, so when they sent me these, and it's actually all natural products, when they sent me these, I was really like, oh snap, like, you know, I was really happy. So I was so excited to try these products out. So first, we're gonna start with the shampoo. So first of all, let me tell you about this shampoo. So the shampoo now, the consistency of it is really, really watery. I did not like that at all. I'm gonna insert clips. I'll show you guys how it looked. Wow, it's really, really watery. I didn't like that, but it did sud. It did sud really, really well. It sud really, really well. And after I washed it out, my hair felt really soft and it felt really moisturized. You know what I mean? Like, it felt really moisturized. So that was a plus about that. The only thing I could say that I didn't really like about the shampoo is the fact that it was just so watery. Like, the consistency of it was really watery, and I didn't like that at all, because I like thick, you know. But like I said, it lathered very well. It lathered really good, and that was good. So after I used it, my hair felt really clean. It felt really soft and really moisturized. Like I said before, it felt really moisturized. Yeah. So on here it says, let me read some of the things that it says. So it says no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no animal testing, no petroleum. So that's good. I like to use product that doesn't have sulfate in there, because the sulfate kind of like strips your hair of its natural, you know, I don't know if that's just me, but I like to use natural stuff. So this is why when they sent me these products, I was just like, oh my god, I'm so hyped. So anyway, so that was the shampoo. After the shampoo, I did the rinse, the tea rinse, and this is the tea rinse, right? So on here it says the instructions say, shake well before use, apply after shampooing with our Power Green shampoo, apply evenly to scalp and hair, massage into a low lather, do not rinse, follow with Power Green's conditioner. So after the shampoo, I used this. It did lather a little bit, because it does say low lather. It did lather a little bit, but I mean, I never used a hair rinse before, so I don't know what exactly it was supposed to do. But to me, I didn't feel like this did anything, to be honest. I don't know. Like I said, I never used a hair tea rinse before. This was my first time using a rinse, and I don't know. I don't know if it really did anything for my hair, to be honest. I can't say what it really did, because I didn't really see. I don't know. Anyways, moving on. So moving on to the conditioner. So this is the conditioner. It has a pump. As you guys can see, it has a pump. So you just basically pump it in your hand. You put as much as you need for your hair, because some people have shorter hair, some people have longer hair, some people have hair is thicker, some people, you know, so you just use it according to how many you feel like you need to do with your hair. With this now, I feel like it did make my hair feel it did make it feel moisturized. So after the shampoo and then after the tea rinse, like I said, with the tea rinse, I didn't really see much of a difference. But with this, it felt really good. Like, it felt really good on my scalp. It lathered really well. And then I took my wide teeth comb, and I was like combing through my hair while I had the conditioner in, and it detangled really well. So this was really good too for that. It detangled really well, and it made my hair feel good. It made my hair feel really good. So that was good. Detangling was easy. I could have detangled with my hands, but I just didn't choose to do that because I like to use the comb to comb through it, because with the comb it manipulates my scalp, you know, so it give me some blood flow and stuff like that. Even though with your hands it does do that too, but I feel like when I'm combing through with my hair with the comb, it gives me a better stimulation. That's just me. And also on here it says apply to clean wet hair, gently comb through from roots to ends, leaving for up to 3 minutes, then rinse. For best result, cleanse first with Power Green shampoo and apply Power Green's hair tea rinse, which I did do. And I didn't even notice that they said to use a comb, because that's what I do normally. So it's good that it says to use the comb, and then you know, so then you wash it out. So with the tea rinse, it says not to wash it out. So you after you do your shampoo and then you put the tea rinse in, it says not to wash it out, and then you just automatically jump into the conditioner, which is exactly what I did. And then I comb through. I let it sit for more than 3 minutes actually, because, you know, I let it stimulate my scalp and, you know, just do what it's supposed to do. But honestly, I think this was a good product. This did my hair justice. Like, my hair felt really, really, really good. So moving on to the last product. So the last product was the Power Green's Reconstructor, and I think, like I said, it's kind of like a deep conditioning or a deep conditioner, or like a cleanser, not a cleanser, a treatment. It was kind of like that, because once I put it in, I massaged it in and everything like that. I put on a shower cap. I put on the shower cap, and then I let it sit for about like 30 to 40 minutes while I took a shower and stuff like that. So I put it in, I left it there. And the thing is, with this, when I washed my hair out, like when I was finally done washing my hair and everything, this was not it. I don't know if it was this or it was just with the conditioner and everything, but with this, it made my hair extra dry when my hair dry. It was, I don't know, my hair was really, really dry and just like hard. But I don't know if that's just my hair per se, but it was really dry, really, really dry. I don't know, I didn't really like this very much. I don't know if it was the product. Like I said, I don't know if it's this product or it's just my hair, or maybe my hair is just extra dry or whatever, but I don't know. So these two didn't really do it for me. No, it didn't really do it for me. This, I didn't see what it did. Honestly, it didn't really make no type of difference. But the shampoo and the conditioner was really, really good. I want to say I'm glad that I did receive these products. And yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. And if you guys enjoy this content, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.